In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable interfaces for orders and projects. Airtable interfaces are a great way to give your team a simple, focused workspace without exposing all the underlying tables and fields. Instead of scrolling through big grids of data, people see exactly what they need: project stages, order forms, calendars, and task lists, all in a clean dashboard. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Templates and Apps. This is where Airtable keeps pre-built bases and interfaces you can use as a starting point, instead of building everything from scratch. In the Templates area, use the search bar and type Highlight. This brings up a curated set of templates that show off Airtable's interface capabilities. From the results, select the Order Tracking and Invoicing template. This template is designed specifically for managing client work, orders, and billing, and it already includes a set of useful interfaces. Try this template to add it to your own workspace. Airtable will create a copy for you, including the base structure and the interface pages. Once it opens, you'll see the main interface navigation along the left or top, depending on your layout. Start by opening the Design Projects interface. This gives you a high-level view of current projects, often in a way that's easy to filter and group. Here, you can quickly scan what's active and what needs attention. Next, click into the Brand Identity view. This focuses on projects related to branding work. It's a good example of how interfaces can be tailored to a specific type of project, showing only the most relevant fields and statuses. Then switch to the Industrial Design view, which does the same thing but for a different project category. Notice how each view shares the same underlying data, but filters and layouts change to match the workflow. Open the Completed Projects view to see how finished work is tracked. This is useful for reporting, reviewing past work, or checking reference details without cluttering your active pipeline. Now move to the Project Calendar interface. This shows your projects laid out over time, which is especially helpful for planning and spotting upcoming deadlines. Switch to the Due Dates Only view to strip away extra details and focus purely on when things are due. From there, open the Order Form interface. This is how someone could submit a new order without touching the raw tables. Then explore the Tasks view to see how individual action items are managed, followed by the Clients view for your customer records, and finally, the Invoices view, which ties your project and order work into billing. By walking through each of these interfaces, you can see how Airtable lets you manage orders and projects in a structured, role-based way, all on top of a single, well-organized base.